What's good, YouTube? It's me, Nola girl, and I'm back with another video. Before we get into this video, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, y'all, what's good? I just want to come with a video showing y'all our weather. Spring just started, and here we got a tornado watch going on in a couple of parishes. We over here in Orleans Parish. And look at this. Tornado watch effective until 11. The parishes of Jefferson, Lafourche, Orleans, that's us. So yeah, that's what we dealing with out here. It was just a beautiful day at the Crawfish Festival, huh? Now we have a tornado detection. All right, y'all, I'm about to show y'all how it looks outside. It's windy, it's raining. Look at this. You might can't see it, but it is raining. The wind blowing down the street. Porch is wet. Neighbors just moved there. They're trying to get the house together. They just bought it, and here it's raining. Indeed. It feels good though. But we are under a tornado watch in Orleans Parish for sure. Okay, y'all, here is my backyard. We took some things and tied them down. We still got the trampoline up. You know, you can't do nothing with that. I just hope you don't have a tornado. Ooh, they're blowing all in my face. When it rains. Throwing some lightning too, y'all. So if y'all didn't know, I've been through a tornado when I was home alone by myself. The children was at school and my husband was at work. I was home alone when that tornado came through, y'all. Talk about scared. I decided, you know, I had did my little errands. I was off that day. I ran some errands. Did what I had to do around the house. I said, let me take me a little nap before the children come home from school. So I goes and take me a little nap, y'all. And the Lord woke me up. It wasn't nobody but God. Woke me up. It was dark. It had been sunny all day. It was dark. And next thing you know, I goes to the door to see why it's so dark. And I was about to step outside, but something stopped me from going outside. I closed the door. I took 1 footstep away from the door, y'all. And there was the tornado. Tore my neighborhood up. So I'm going to get off this phone. I'm going to go charge my phone. Just wanted to show y'all what's going on right now. How pretty it was Sunday. Here it is Tuesday. It was a beautiful day Monday. Tuesday, tornado watch. Thanks for watching. The first tornado? Look at this. A 5-second tornado. I'm going to do another video tonight, y'all, so y'all can see this damage. Oh my God, my second tornado I done went through. This is ridiculous. All right, y'all, we about to head inside because it's about to rain again. But I just want y'all to see what it's looking like. Ooh, big old raindrops. Ooh, let me get inside. I know my window bust. Oh, that rain coming down sideways. Ooh, just that fast. Man, we gotta find something. Watch out, y'all. I gotta cover my sofa. I just bought that sofa, y'all. Good morning, Nola Squad. How y'all doing today? It's the next day after the tornado hit. Today is Wednesday. And I just got up. I'm about to check out the damage. But here's my living room. Glass all over my sofa because this window broke. Glass on my rug. And I just purchased this furniture. So now I'm going to have to really give it a good sweeping, vacuum again. Until I know this glass is all the way up. Because I don't want nobody getting cut. The children are gone. They went by my daughter's house last night. They thought it was going to be hot, but it is cold up in here. Let's go take a look outside. This goes up here, like this one. This is the broken window pane. Shingles everywhere. Oh, that's cool out here. Let's go take a look. Mister's work truck. All of the cars didn't get any damage. Right here. I'll show y'all my address. This is literally wrapped around my mailbox. Somebody else's mailbox. This is a power line or whatever. Okay. Let's see. New neighbors just bought this house. Pretty day outside to say what went on last night. I'll be back with the backyard, y'all. Let's see. That's the transformer for the power. This is why we don't have any power. Okay, y'all, let's go check out the backyard. I showed y'all the before. Here's the after. Everything thrown around. Where's the trampoline that was right there? It is in the tree. Right there. Knock the fence down. That's a part of somebody's roof. Boys basketball goal. Good refrigerator. I was giving it away. So right over there in the neighbor's yard, right there was a playhouse for children. You want to know where it is? Right there. It's on top of the neighbor's house. fence that was here is now here. This is my backyard. This is a brand new gate from the last tornado. We're gonna have to replace that again. Stuff all over the yard. It's the back of my house. This part is crazy. And look at the trampoline, y'all. It's 2 hours. Trampoline is in the tree. Cam, here's your trampoline. Swinging in the tree. Alright, y'all, so I'm out here in the street. Okay. This is how it's looking going down the street, y'all. This is why we don't have no power. Look how low these power lines are. I'm walking right next to them. And this is the breaker for the power. All in the yard on top of his truck. Garbage everywhere.